sentence is related to present perfect tense.
Yes.
It is it is an affirmative sentence.
Good. Nice.
Firstly, firstly, I will take the subject, and
Yes.
the subject is Karan.
Correct.
Then I will take helping verb. I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is has. Later on, I will take the third form of the verb, and the third form of the verb is achieved. Later on, I will take the possessive adjective, and the possessive adjective is the his. Then I will take the object, and the object is goal. And lastly, I will take the reflexive pronoun, and the reflexive pronoun is himself. And last, in the end, I will put the full stop. Now the sentence is Karan has achieved his goal himself. Sorry, Karan has achieved his aim himself.
Correct. आप इसका प्रश्न बना के हमसे पूछ लीजिए.
Okay, sir. Has Karan achieved his aim himself?
Yes, he has achieved his aim himself.
क्या करण ने अपना लक्ष्य स्वयं हासिल कर लिया?
जी हाँ, करण ने अपना लक्ष्य खुद हासिल कर लिया है. अब मैं सेम क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ, आप इसका नेगेटिव आंसर दीजिए. आई एम आस्किंग द सेम क्वेश्चन,
ओके
गिव मी
सर.
द नेगेटिव आंसर. हैज करण अचीव्ड
ओके सर.
हिज एम हिमसेल्फ?
No, Karan has not achieved his aim himself.
करेक्ट. अब आई एम आस्किंग वन मोर क्वेश्चन, आंसर इज सेम. हु हैज अचीव्ड हिज एम हिमसेल्फ?
Karan has achieved his aim himself.
किसने अपना लक्ष्य खुद हासिल किया है?
करण ने अपना लक्ष्य खुद हासिल किया है.
मैडम, आई वांट टू रिपीट द सेम सेंटेंस. हु हैज अचीव्ड हिज ऑब्जेक्ट हिमसेल्फ?
Okay. Karan has achieved his object himself.
किसने अपना लक्ष्य स्वयं हासिल किया है?
करण ने अपना लक्ष्य स्वयं हासिल किया है.
करेक्ट. लेट्स डू क्रिएटिविटी. चेंज द वर्ब, change the subject, and object will be changed automatically.
Uh, they have
Sorry,
they
sorry,
have
sorry,
conquered
sorry, 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 sorry.
Come again, sir. Come again.
Your sentence is wrong.
Sir, come again.
I said sorry, I did not say anything else. Come again for what are you saying?
Sir, come again. Come again. What are you asking?
As you can see on the board, you have to change the subject, you have to change
Yes.
the verb, you have to
Yeah.
change the object. But possessive adjective should be same, reflexive pronoun should be same.
Okay. Okay. It's big same. Okay. Okay. Hmm. It means he. Huh? I will take he.
I will not tell
Sir,
you.
sing.
I will not tell
He.
you. Yes.
He has uh, conquered his game himself.
Very nice. Complete the process, please.
उसने अपना लक्ष्य स्वयं
Sorry,
हासिल
sorry,
किया है।
sorry,
वह
sorry,
अप
sorry, sorry, sorry,
वह he has achieved उसने सर he
sorry,
has
sorry, sorry.
उस सॉरी उसने अपना मैच
You said
स्वयं
you said game or match. What did you say?
गे,
So the game is English
गेम
word,
गेम गेम
match is
गेम
English word. Which one do you want to use?
उसने अपना गेम स्वयं जीत लिया है।
Yes. Now I am asking one question. Who has conquered his game himself?
रामू हैज कॉन्कर्ड हिज गेम हिमसेल्फ।
किसने अपना गेम खुद जीत लिया है?
रामू ने अपना गेम खुद जीत लिया है।
अब इसमें एक छोटी सी अव्यवहारिक चीज पर आप ध्यान दीजिए। राहुल ने अपना गेम खुद जीत लिया है, आपने ऐसा बोला है ना, राइट?
यस।
हेलो, एम आई ऑडिबल? हेलो, एम आई ऑडिबल मैम?
योर वॉइस इज चॉपिंग।
ओह, माय वॉइस
यस यस
इज
नाउ यू आर ऑडिबल।
आई एम ऑडिबल।
चॉपिंग। या
Okay, I'm speaking again. Just a minute.
क्लियरली ऑडिबल।
There was a network problem.
Okay.
चलिए, now I am asking again. You said उसने अपना खेल खुद जीता है, right?
जीत लिया है।
हाँ, उसने अपना खेल खुद जीत लिया है. This is your sentence, right? अब ये बताइए कि कोई अगर जो खेल खेल रहा है, तो क्या उसका खेल कोई और जीत सकता है क्या?
अरे, नहीं जीत
जैसे
सकता।
मान लो हूँ, किसी को
यार
किराए से ले लूं तो
सर, योर वॉइस इज चॉकिंग, नॉट, यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल।
okay,
You are
I'm
not
not audible. I'm okay, okay. Right.
जीता है उसने अपना।
Hello, am I audible?
यस सर, यस सर, यू आर
Oh,
ऑडिबल।
so have you understood my point?
यस सर, आई आई शुड से उसने अपना गेम खुद ही जीता है।
Everybody wins his game himself. Sentence is not looking practical. Okay, I'm making one
प्रैक्टिकल।
sentence.
ओके।
She has, sorry, Munnu. Munnu is 5 years old. He has cut his hair himself. मुन्नू 5 साल का है, उसने अपने बाल खुद काट लिए because he was watching TV and he doesn't know that it is not practical.
प्रैक्टिकल।
So, because he is a child, he has cut his hair himself. He got scissors by accident. उसको दुर्घटनावश कैंची मिल गई तो उसने अपने बाल खुद ही काट लिए. So his mama is scolding him. इसलिए उसकी माँ उसको डांट रही है.
सर, दिस सेंटेंस इज नॉट प्रैक्टिकल, बट विदाउट हेल्प भी तो हो सकता है। ये जो मैं माई सेंटेंस आई एम आस्किंग, आई एम टेलिंग।
Have you spoken one Hindi sentence? Okay, now I am noting how many Hindi sentences will you speak, because if you speak Hindi, I will take fine.
या
Because after present perfect tense, I start prohibition of Hindi.
sir, my sentence is not practical, I know, but I think he he conquered his game without any help.
Uh,
He,
I'm making one sentence.
okay.
The sons of Promila Madam, the sons of Promila Madam has set up the son of Promila Madam. What is the name of your son, elder son?
Ashwini.
Ashwini.
Ash.
Yes. The elder son of Pramila Madam, Ashwini, has set up his business himself. His father did not help him. प्रमिला मैडम के बड़े बेटे अश्विनी जी ने अपना बिजनेस खुद स्थापित किया है, उनके पिताजी ने उनकी मदद नहीं की थी. Now is it practical? Looking practical.
No, it is not practical. It is not looking practical. Then I will make another sentence.
Please.
Okay.
Meanwhile, I am making my. Meanwhile, I am making one more sentence.
Okay.
Mukesh Ambani has raised
Hmm.
his empire himself. मुकेश अंबानी ने अपना साम्राज्य खुद बढ़ाया है. And Anil Ambani has destroyed his business himself. और अनिल अंबानी ने अपना बिजनेस खुद ही बर्बाद कर लिया है.
सर दिमाग में नहीं आ रहा क्या.
Okay, write down one sentence, one more sentence.
Uh,
क्या
uh,
do you want to say anything, ma'am?
yeah. I दिमाग.
Do not.
No,
You.
I am thinking. Uh, I think Poonam has.
You have chosen the wrong subject. You have chosen the wrong subject. आपने गलत कर्ता चूज किया है.
प्लूरल प्लूरल लेना है सर.
One more Hindi sentence. Two Hindi sentences. Madam, what is the date today?
22nd October.
Okay, 26.
Sir, please ask me. Come again. I can't understand.
Okay, don't worry. We will, after listening some more, guys, you can make
Okay.
sentences easily. So you should be happy that you have made one sentence. You should be happy. आपको खुश होना चाहिए that कि you have made one sentence successfully. आपने एक सेंटेंस सफलतापूर्वक बना लिया है. Okay, write down the next sentence, make another sentence, and speak English with this presence. The next sentence is मेहता मैडम ने यह वाक्य सफलतापूर्वक बना लिया है. Okay, who has to make this sentence?
I have to make this sentence. This sentence is related to present perfect tense. This is an affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is Mehta. Then I will take helping verb, and the helping has. Then I will take the third form of the verb, and the third form of the verb is made.
Ma'am, what is the spelling?
MADE.
Correct. Thank you.
Then I will take the possessive adjective, and the possessive adjective is her. Her.
What is Hindi sentence, ma'am? Please, can you repeat?
मेहता ने अपना वाक्य, यह वाक्य, यह है सर, स्वयं बना लिया है. राइट? एम आई राइट?
No, no, you
दिस.
have written wrong. I am repeating my sentence.
ओके. ओके
And
सर.
you can see here, I think you did not see here. My sentence was मेहता मैडम ने यह वाक्य सफलतापूर्वक बना लिया.
सफल.
Please repeat the Hindi sentence.
मेहता मैम ने यह वाक्य सफलता बना लिया है.
Okay.
एम आई राइट? हाँ.
Yeah.
ओके. Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is Mehta ma'am. Then I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is has. Later on, I will take the third form of verb, and the third form of verb is made. Later on, I will take I will take this. What is this? This sentence. This sentence. This sentence object has made this sentence successfully. This sentence. This
Uh,
sentence
is it visible? Formula is visible to you
is object.
on the
Object.
screen?
No,
Clear
sir.
or unclear?
It is side unclear or inside.
Okay. If it is not visible, you can see your register. You have written the formula of present perfect
Yeah.
tense.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, yeah. Object. I have. Sir, next I will make again. Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is Mehta ma'am. Then I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is has. Later on, I will take the third form of the verb, and the third form of the verb is made. Then I will take the object, and the object is um, this sentence. And lastly, I will take the extension, and the extension is successfully. Lastly, I will put the full stop, and the sentence is Mehta ma'am has made this sentence successfully.
Very nice. Okay, now I'm asking question. Who has made this sentence successfully?
Mehta ma'am has made this sentence successfully.
यह वाक्य किसने सफलतापूर्वक बना लिया है?
यह वाक्य मेहता मैम ने सफलतापूर्वक बना लिया है.
Now you can ask me the same question.
Who has made this sentence successfully?
Uh,
Sir, who has
Vihan's,
made this sentence?
Vihan's Dadi has made this sentence successfully. Vihan's Dadi has made this sentence successfully.
यह सेंटेंस सफलतापूर्वक किसने बनाया है, बना लिया है?
विहान की दादी ने यह वाक्य सफलतापूर्वक बना लिया है. Madam, have you written this sentence? Should I erase?
Yes, sir. You should erase. I have written it.
Are you sure you have written?
Yes.
Write down the next sentence.
Yes.
बेटा विहान, बेटा विहान, तुम्हारे पापा जी ने रिमोट कहाँ रख दिया है? बेटा विहान, तुम्हारे पापा जी ने रिमोट कहाँ रख दिया है? प्रश्नवाची चिन्ह. Please repeat the sentence so that I can be confirmed.
बेटा विहान, तुम्हारे पापा जी ने रिमोट कहाँ रख दिया है?
Absolutely correct. Now I am sure that you have written correct sentence. Who has to make this sentence?
I have to make this sentence.
Please go ahead.
This sentence is related to present perfect tense. It is interrogative sentence. Firstly, oh, it is inverted. This is inverted sentence. It is WH. WH sentence.
So there you are. Thank you.
WH sentence.
So there you are. Thank you.
Okay. Firstly, I will take subject. I will take WH word.
Sorry.
Okay, sir. I can make. Firstly, I will make on my notebook. Can I make? Then
What
I
is
will.
what is the Hindi sentence? What is the Hindi sentence? Please repeat.
बेटा विहान, तुम्हारा पापा जी ने रिमोट कहाँ रख दिया है? बेटा विहान, ओ
Who has to make this sentence?
I has to make this sentence. This sentence having two. No,
No.
no, not two. This sentence is related to past. Sorry, present perfect tense. It is WH sentence.
These two are addressing words.
Okay.
संबोधन सूचक शब्द.
Okay. Firstly, I will take firstly I will take some इसको क्या word some OLD क्या?
Screen,
ALD.
is your CC on?
Yeah. OADD.
These are addressing words.
Addressing ADD. Okay. Firstly, I will take addressing word. Firstly, I will take the addressing word, and the addressing word is Beta Vihan. Uh,
Ma'am,
then, yes,
addressing words. They are
wow, two, yeah,
plural number. They are plural number.
adding words, yeah, two. Thereafter, I will take WH exclamatory sign. Hmm. Then I will take so where WH word, I will take the WH word, and the WH word is where. Then where remote.
See the beauty of
Has. Then I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is has. Where has? Mm. Then I will take the third form of the verb, and the third form of the verb is put. Then I will take the article, and the article is the. Then I will take the object, and the object is remote. Sir,
where has put the remote.
by it is wrong sentence, sir.
I know.
I the remote. Where has put the remote? Where has the remote? Where has the remote? Putting by your father, Papa. Where is the remote? Very, very big problem. Very big problem. Where has putting your Papa? Your mother. Where has put remote? Passive voice से बन sir. um, It will be made by passive voice. This where sorry, where has remote subject is sir, where has your papa uh, where has your papa has put the remote? Where has your papa? उस दिमाग ही नहीं चलता सर. Where has your papa put the remote? So now I where. Then I will take the subject, and the subject is your papa. Kept. Oh, the third form of the verb is kept. The remote. Subject. Okay, sir. Oh, I was wrong making the subject. I could not choose the subject. Sir, it is very difficult to teach me.
Where has your son kept the remote?
Where has, sir, come again, where has, then voice is dropping.
When has
Where,
your son when has your son kept the remote?
wow, my son has kept the remote in the drawer.
आपके बेटे ने रिमोट कहाँ रख दिया है?
मेरे बेटे ने ड्रावर में रिमोट रख दिया है.
Where has your बहू gone?
My bahu has gone to clinic.
आपकी बहू कहाँ गई है?
मेरी बहू क्लिनिक गई है.
Where has Rehan presented the dance?
Vihan has presented the dance in his school.
विहान ने डांस कहाँ प्रस्तुत किया है?
विहान ने अपने स्कूल में डांस प्रस्तुत किया है.
Where has सब्जी वाला kept the धनिया मिर्ची?
सब्जी वाला has kept the धनिया मिर्ची in his basket.
सब्जी वाले ने धनिया मिर्ची कहाँ रख दी है?
सब्जी वाले ने धनिया मिर्ची बास्केट में रख दी है.
Where has Munnu taken admission?
Munnu has taken admission in in Dehradun school.
मुन्नू ने कहाँ एडमिशन लिया है?
उन्होंने देहरादून के स्कूल में एडमिशन लिया है.
Where has Salman shot this movie?
सलमान, come again sir.
Spelling is coming on your screen.
Disappear.
Where
Come
has
again.
Salman shot this movie?
Salman has shot this movie in
स्विट्जरलैंड।
oh, no no
स्विट्जरलैंड।
no Switzerland, in America sir.
सलमान ने इस मूवी की शूटिंग कहाँ की है?
सर अमेरिका में की थी।
वेयर हैज अनिल अंबानी वेस्टेड हिज मनी?
वेस्टेड Anil Ambani has wasted his money in luxury, uh,
लग्जरी।
in luxury.
अनिल अंबानी ने अपना पैसा कहाँ बर्बाद कर दिया है?
अनिल अंबानी ने अपना पैसा शान शौकत में खरा वेस्ट कर दिया है।
वेयर हैज पुलिस ऑफिसर kept the son of Shah Rukh Khan?
The police officer has kept the son of Shah Rukh Khan in jail.
पुलिस अधिकारी ने शाहरुख खान के बेटे को कहाँ रखा?
पुलिस अधिकारी ने शाहरुख खान के बेटे को जेल में रखा है।
कैन यू आस्क मी द सेम क्वेश्चन?
Where the police officer has where has the police officer kept the son of Shah Rukh Khan?
He has kept him in juvenile.
पुलिस अधिकारी ने शाहरुख खान के बेटे को कहाँ रखा है, कहाँ रख दिया है?
उन्होंने उसे बाल गृह में रखा है। बाल कारागार में रखा है। जुवेनाइल। द पुलिस मैन has kept him in juvenile. Spelling is here.
Juvenile, yeah. I have written Juvenile.
Where has Hema Malini donated her money?
Hema Malini has donated her money in election.
हेमा मालिनी जी ने अपना पैसा कहाँ दान किया?
हेमा मालिनी ने अपना पैसा इलेक्शन में दान किया है।
Whose help has Sonu Sood done?
सोनू सूद। Come again, sir. Please repeat.
Whose help has Sonu Sood done? Whose help has Sonu Sood done?
Sonu Sood has done. No, whose help? Whose help? Dharmendra helps. Sonu Sood has done. With Dharmendra helps.
सोनू सूद ने किसकी मदद की है?
सोनू सूद ने धर्मेंद्र की मदद की है।
You can ask me this question.
Whose help Sonu? Whose help? Uh, whose help Sonu Sood? Whose help? Uh, whose help? Whose has helped Sonu Sood? Whose help Sonu Sood?
He has helped the corona victims.
सोनू सूद ने किसकी हेल्प की है?
उन्होंने कोरोना से पीड़ित लोगों की मदद की है। हाउ मैनी चैप्टर्स हैव यू लर्न्ड?
I have learned 3 chapters.
आपने कितने चैप्टर सीख लिए हैं?
मैंने 3 चैप्टर सीख लिए हैं।
हाउ मैनी cars have you driven in your life?
I have driven in my life.
Sorry,
I have driven 4 cars in my life.
आपने अपने जीवन में कितनी गाड़ियां चलाई हैं?
मैंने अपने जीवन में 4 गाड़ियां चलाई हैं।
How many patients has your bahu checked today?
My bahu has checked today.
Sorry, sorry.
My bahu has checked today.
Sorry.
Sorry, हाँ, my bahu has checked about 8 patients checked today.
Come again, please.
My bahu has checked 8 patients today.
Patient.
Patients.
आपकी बहू ने आज कितने मरीजों को चेक किया है?
मेरी बहू ने आज 8 मरीजों को चेक किया है।
How many आलू के पराठे has your maid made?
My maid has made 8 paratha today.
पराठा
8 parathas today.
आपकी आपकी सेविका ने आज कितने आलू के पराठे बनाए हैं?
मेरी सेविका ने आज 8 आलू के पराठे बनाए हैं।
How many rooms has Ramu Kaka cleaned today?
Ramu Kaka has cleaned 6 rooms today. Ramu
आज
Kaka
रामू
has cleaned 6 rooms today.
आज रामू काका ने कितने कमरे साफ कर दिए हैं?
आज रामू काका ने 6 कमरे साफ कर लिए हैं।
Whose bill has the manager accepted?
The manager has accepted my son's bill.
मैनेजर ने किसका बिल स्वीकार कर लिया है?
मैनेजर ने मेरे बेटे का बिल स्वीकार कर लिया है।
Have you taken medicine today?
Yes, sir. I have taken medicine today.
क्या आज आपने दवाई ले ली है?
Yes, sir. आज मैंने दवाई ले ली है।
How many drops have you put in your eyes?
I have put 4 drops in my eyes.
आपने आँख में कितनी बूंद दवाई डाली है?
मैंने 4 बूंद दवाई डाली है।
Have they understood this sentence?
No, they have not understood this sentence.
क्या वे ये वाला वाक्य समझ गए हैं?
नहीं, वे ये वाला वाक्य नहीं समझे हैं।
Now we finish it here. It is 6 o'clock. My
Okay, sir.
another batch, I have one more batch online.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir. Thank you, sir.